Welcome to the BoldDesk AI Copilot tutorial. In this video, you will learn how enhancing your knowledge base can make your AI Copilot smarter and quicker, providing effective support experiences. The AI Copilot utilizes your existing resources, such as knowledge base articles, Q&A, web pages, and uploaded files, to generate accurate, context-aware responses for tickets. On the KB articles, keep information current and relevant by regularly updating your articles so your customers stays on top. Copilot makes content creation effortless by drafting knowledge base articles directly from ticket conversations. We will dive deeper into this feature in the next video. The Q&A page helps you to add frequently asked questions for the AI Copilot to handle. These entries are internal and not visible to end users, but significant to AI Copilot. You can also convert agent replies into a Q&A format. Use the Convert to Q&A option, make necessary edits, and publish it. To integrate external content, you can add web pages. Note that only publicly accessible pages can be processed. Additionally, all the subpages from the provided URLs will be used as sources, so providing the base URL is sufficient if you have a collection of pages. You can also upload PDF or Word files as reference material. By upgrading your content sources, you empower AI Copilot to accelerate workflows, improve response quality, and deliver exceptional customer service, all while saving valuable time. Activate AI Copilot in BoldDesk today and elevate your support experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.